Hi, Doug. Just taking a look and going through the standards. I think this is fine as far as ROTC standards. They make a lot of sense here. I'm not sure how much the AP standards make sense. If you're actually ensuring that the students are going to learn and be able to do these things, then fine. I'm just a little concerned about the rigor of the AP standards. What I would suggest is you go back in to your units and take a look at the actual CTE standards. Okay, so you're going to go into career. Let me show you. Go into 21st Century Life and Careers, choose standards. You're going to pick career readiness. Okay, end of grade 12. And scroll down, you'll see all the different clusters. So let's go down. Let's see. I think there's one for law. Personal finance, budgeting, career awareness, exploration, no. Agriculture, no. Food products, we don't want any of that. Architecture and career, construction, design, maintenance, no. This is our media cluster. CTE, business administration. Operations. Keep going down. Keep going down. Business finance, keep going down. And here we go, right here. So your government and public administration, that should be the cluster that you focus on. All right. I'm not sure if you knew that was there. Governance, national security planning. All right. So take a look at that cluster and see if any of those make sense. All right. And then let me know. All right. Thank you.